Have you ever seen those super close-up insect videos on YouTube Shorts that look like they came straight out of a National Geographic documentary? You know the ones. A spider hunting its prey, ants battling each other, or a beetle crawling through what looks like a tiny jungle. And somehow those videos end up getting millions, sometimes tens of millions of views. But here's the crazy part. A lot of those videos are actually created entirely with AI. No expensive macro camera, no filming outside in the wild, no complicated gear, just a few free AI tools. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create those viral micro camera animal POV videos that are blowing up on YouTube right now. And the best part? This entire workflow uses 100% free AI tools. So, if you're into AI tools that save you time, automate content creation, and even help you make money online, make sure you subscribe to the JACKY AI Flow channel right now. And definitely watch this video all the way to the end, because there's a small trick near the end that most people miss. And if you skip it, your video might stop generating halfway through. Right now, the micro wildlife camera niche is absolutely exploding on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. You'll start noticing videos like POV of an ant walking through a forest, the view from a spider hunting its prey, tiny insects fighting like it's a wildlife documentary. And the crazy thing is, some of these videos are getting 10 million, 20 million, even 70 million views. It reminds me of earlier trends like before and after renovation videos, AI transformation videos. A lot of people missed those trends early on, but the AI wildlife niche is still very early, which means there's still a huge opportunity. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful master prompt with you. With just one single prompt, you can generate dozens of different videos about insects, tiny animals, predator hunting scenes, micro camera wildlife footage. I'll also leave the full prompt in the video description so you can copy it instantly. The best part about this master prompt is that it's universal. What does that mean? It means you don't need to write a new prompt every time you want to create a video. All you have to do is 1. Copy the prompt. 2. Paste it into ChatGPT. 3. Choose the animal you want, and ChatGPT will automatically generate all the prompts you need for your video. For example, you could create videos about wolf spiders, fire ants, scorpions, dung beetles, stag beetles, or basically any tiny creature you want. So first, go ahead and copy the full master prompt from the description. Then we'll open ChatGPT. And don't worry, you do not need ChatGPT Plus for this. The free version works perfectly. When you open ChatGPT, you might see a Get Plus button somewhere on the screen. That simply means you're using the free version, which is totally fine. Now just 1. Paste the master prompt. 2. Hit enter. Right away, ChatGPT will generate a list of around 20 insects or small animals. For example, jumping spider, praying mantis, fire ant, beetle, scorpion. Now, all you need to do is pick one from the list. Let's say the animal you want is number 12. You simply type 12 and press enter. Or if the creature you want isn't on the list, you can just type its name directly. For example, Jerusalem cricket. ChatGPT will still generate the prompts for you automatically. In this video, let's try creating a video about a wolf spider. It's one of the most fascinating hunting spiders out there. Let's say wolf spider is number 15 on the list. All I need to do is type 15 and hit enter. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate checkmark 1 image prompt, checkmark 7 motion prompts. The image prompt is used to create the starting image. The motion prompts are used to animate the scene and build the full video step by step. So the workflow is simple. First we generate the image, then we turn it into a video. To generate both the image and the video, we're going to use a free AI tool called Grok AI. It's actually pretty powerful, and right now, there's still a free version available. If you ever run into daily generation limits, don't panic. There are a few ways to continue generating videos without getting stuck, and I explain those tricks in another video on this channel. But for now, let's go ahead and create our first AI wildlife video. First, we're going to generate the image. Go to Grok Imagine. Then, 1. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT. 2. Paste it into the Type to Imagine box. Then make sure you select Image Mode, Aspect Ratio 9:16, because we're creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, AI will create a super detailed cinematic image. Usually, I pick the one that looks the most dramatic or realistic. Now let's turn that image into a video. Click Edit. Then select Animate or Make Video. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Copy motion prompt number 1. Paste it into the prompt box in Grok. Make sure the aspect ratio is still 9:16. Then click Generate. After a few seconds, AI will produce a short animated video from the image. If you don't like the result, you can simply generate again until you get something you like. Once you're happy with the first clip, go ahead and upscale the video. This improves the overall quality and sharpness. After the upscale finishes, click Extend from Frame. This tells the AI to continue generating the video from the last frame. Then, 1. Go back to ChatGPT. 2. Copy the next motion prompt. 3. Paste it in. 4. Click Generate. Your video will now extend smoothly into the next scene. Now you simply repeat the same process for all the remaining motion prompts. The workflow looks like this. Upscale. Extend from frame. Paste the next prompt. Generate. After finishing all the prompts, you'll end up with a complete video around 30 seconds long. However, sometimes Grok won't allow you to extend the video beyond about 30 seconds. If that happens, here's a simple workaround. Just 1. Open the last video clip. 2. Capture or copy the final frame. 3. Use that frame as a new starting image. Then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the next motion prompt and generate again. This trick lets you keep extending the video without hitting the limit. Once everything is finished, simply upscale the final video. Download it to your computer. After downloading the video, you can use CapCut to add background music, color grade the footage, trim the clips, add extra effects. That part is pretty straightforward, and you can edit it just like the other tutorials on the JACKY AI Flow channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. Leave a comment if you want more AI prompts like this. Subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, because on this channel, I'll continue sharing powerful free AI tools, ways to automate content creation, and new viral AI niches you can start today. And remember, if I was able to do this, trust me, you can too, and you'll probably do it even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.